Hey guys! Rum is a curious category of spirit. In some ways, it is the most freeing of them all. It simply has to be distilled from sugarcane or its byproducts. Everything else is wide open. It can be literally be made anywhere on the planet. Yet, even with these loose parameters of production, the liquid tends to break down into one of three primary sub-variants. First, the French style, which is native to Martinique, Haiti, and Guadeloupe, typically produced from sugarcane juice, owing an earthy and sometimes grassy kind of element. Second, the Spanish style, sweet and buttery, made from molasses in places like Puerto Rico, Venezuela, and Nicaragua. And the third is the English style, fuller and funkier, from former crown colonies such as Jamaica and Barbados. While each certainly has its own time and place, it is the final category which caught the interest of experienced judges at the annual San Francisco World Spirits Competition. Professional sippers from far and wide converged to evaluate thousands of spirits across dozens of styles. When it came to award the best in show for dark gold rum, their choice was a full flavored Jamaican offering from Plantation. Colorfully labeled and adorned in the knotted twine, Xaymaca Special Dry Rum is an exceptionally elegant product, both inside and out. It's a blend of liquids from two separate Jamaican distilleries, Pond and Clarendon, each stream boasting its own form of the island's trademark funk. Together, the aged spirits are married before arriving in the south of France to be finished in ex-cognac barrels at the Maison Ferrand. This is a complex spirit, surprisingly dry considering the heavy tropical notes it retains in the nose. Ripened pineapple and rosewater aromas make way for a semi-spiced sort of nuttiness on the palate. Before it surrenders, it introduces a burst of flambéed banana, likely owed to the relatively high count of fruit-laden esters it carries over from fermentation. The 86 proof bottle is even more impressive when you consider its $25 price point. The 2020 competition was another record-breaking year that featured almost 3,000 entries from all the corners of the world. With this, I take a leave, but I will be back next week with another video. If you want review on any other rum in the list, do post it in the comment section. Like, subscribe and share, and thank you for watching.